Welcome to a new episode of our statistical analysis course. In this video we will talk about tests of association, which are Pearson, Spearman, point biserial, and Kendall tau tests. Tests of association aim to find if there is a relationship between two variables, and if there is a relationship, they tell you the strength of this relationship. To choose the right test for your variables, follow the diagram. If you have a continuous first variable, go to the upper diagram. If you have an ordinal first variable, go to the middle diagram. And if you have a dichotomous first variable, go to the lower diagram. Now, choose the tests box based on the second variable, as we discussed in previous episodes. Always remember to check the assumption for each test before performing the test. So go back to Assumptions episode to recall the assumption assigned to each number. All tests are performed in the following way. Click Analyze. Choose Correlate. Choose Bivariate. Add the variables you want to find the correlation between at the variables box. Finally, choose the test you want to perform, either Pearson, or Spearman, or Kendall tau. Note that you do not have the choice of point biserial test. The reason is that point biserial is a special case of Pearson correlation, and the SPSS automatically perform point biserial when you have a scale and a dichotomous variables, and you choose Pearson correlation. Let's do an example. We want to analyze the correlation between age and education. The hypothesis here is that increasing the age is associated with increased education. Click Analyze. Choose Correlate. Choose Bivariate. Add the age and education to variables box. Choose Spearman Test, and click Analyze. In the output box, the p-value equals 0.001, so the relation is significant. The correlation coefficient is -0.240. The minus sign means the increasing the age the lower the educational level. And the amount of the coefficient represent the strength of the correlation. The larger the amount, the stronger the correlation. We can report the results in the following words. We found a significant correlation between age and educational level, with a p-value of 0.001. The correlation is negative with a correlation coefficient of 0.240. Let's take another example for the point biserial test. Let's analyze the correlation between age and heart attack. The same steps apply. Click Analyze. Choose Correlate. Choose Bivariate. Add the age and heart attack to variables box. Choose Pearson Test, and click Analyze. The correlation is significant with a p-value of 0.003. The correlation is positive with a coefficient of 0.207, which is a strong correlation. Here, remember that 0 means no heart attack, and 1 means there is heart attack. So the more you move toward the 1, the more the age increase. And this is what these results mean. Other tests are done in the same way and reported in the same way too.